Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Okay, tatanungin po natin ang isang Big Four ngayon. Na si Lou.
Hi po.
Lou, anong pakiramdam na party ka na ng Big Four?
Siyempre,
Thank you. Okay.
Siyempre po, sobrang thankful and grateful po tayong lahat. Kami ni lahat for sure. And we've been through a lot. Sa 3 buwan na yun, naging sundalo kami, naging kupido kami, ang dami po namin pinagdaanan. Maraming salamat lang po talaga sa mga nagsuporta at naniniwala sa amin. So, ayun lang po. Sobrang thankful and blessed po kami. Umiiyak!
Okay! Again! No, the next.
Thank you po.
Push muna, the next again. Okay, thank you, Lou. Thank you so much, ha? Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat! Ako po rin po si Yam Yam nagbabalik sa inyong pananaw. Okay, again, isang parte ng Big Four ang kakausapin natin again, yung pangalawa. Okay, so let's meet Andre, di ba? Okay?
I'm Andre, nice to meet you.
Nice
You
to meet
are...
you. Yeah, what's your
Yum, yum.
favorite food in the Philippines? Thank you. Okay. Oh, balot.
Interesting.
Okay. What do you feel when you're part of the Big Four?
Absolutely Masaya, blessed. It's been an amazing journey. Everybody along the way, learning from everybody, learning about myself, my own character, and fighting for our dream, never giving up. And it's an honor to be here with this amazing jungle man, Japanese. What was your logo again?
My girlfriend.
And the one I love. Absolutely Masaya, and looking forward to the future, continuing the journey. I won't take this for granted.
Thank you so much, Andre! Bye-bye!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Humia. So today I want to ask a question. The Big Four, sobrang he's my first Big Four. Yeah, so ako also Big Four, pero he is sobra Big Four. So I have to work carefully kasi he's sobra Big Four. Yeah, so today I want to ask, yeah. I'm so strict. Oh my God. Sorry po. What's your name? Thank you. Yeah. And then I want to ask today.
Yeah.
Anong pakiramdam your Big Four?
Thank you. Ayusin.
Anong pakiramdam mo? We can be part of Big Four.
Sobrang saya ko po sa pakiramdam. Kung mas may hihigit pa sa sobrang masaya, yun ako. At saka sobrang papasalamat ako sa pamilya at sa mga taong sumusuporta sa akin at kay Kuya, and also ng mga taong naging instrumento para kami ay matuto at maging the best strong person. And then lastly, the God also. Thank you so much, living and non-living things. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Big Four. Salamat. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, I will ask. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako na rin po si Yam Yam, nagbabalik sa inyong harapan. Muli, ito ang pinakalas na Big Four na tatangunungin ko ngayong gabi. What is your name? Thank you! What is your name?
Ako po si Fumia.
Gas? Okay.
And then?
Okay. Again. Okay. What is is your name and what is your feeling to come here? No, to be part of the big.
Thanks so much. Ako po si Humia. And then, syempre, sobrang saya ko. And then, in this house, many challenge. Ako, Taro. Very, very Taro. Pero, I'm still here. Sobrang saya. Kasi, that's why I'm so, every support, I want to say thank you so much. One by one. Yeah, like that. If you're not support me, I'm not here. That's why I'm so appreciate talaga. Yeah. And also Lu, Andre, who are you? Yum Yum. Yeah. Yum Yum. So together we're big fall. I'm so happy. Yeah. And you're from the start and then until now we're together. I'm so happy po. So yeah, that's why. Yeah, just I'm so happy.
Yeah, we're family, di ba?
Yeah. And then I learned a lot of things in this house. So yeah, I don't forget these feelings and then humble forever. Thank you so much. How do you feel? Thank you so much. Salamat. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Is it okay?
Ready?
Hey!
Different part.
Galing ko yun ba?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Your support. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Pinoy, ikaw ay Pinoy. Ipakita sa mundo kung ano ang
Maraming salamat, Fifth and Pam. Wait lang kayo dyan dahil maya-maya lamang ay join na ako sa inyo para naman magatid ng mga chismis, ng mga happenings, at ultimo mga nakakatawa at nakakainis na mga issue na dapat natin sagutin at tinagharapin here on Pinoy Big Brother Bring It On! Grabe! Team Online live na live tayo dito sa labas ng bahay ni Kuya. Kaya naman, simulan na natin ang pagpa-power tweet gamitin ang ating official hashtag for tonight na hashtag BBBBGating Summer Salubong. Team